Changing time in the MetaTrader 4 in 2025 is a pretty simple thing to do, and I will tell you exactly how you guys can do it. So first thing first, open MetaTrader 4 application, and in the application, make sure that you log in with your account. And once you do that, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on MQL5 services top up, and that will redirect you to this page. So here it will be you will be redirected to this page, and in here, what you have to do is that you need to understand one concept, which is that your time of your MetaTrader 4 uh, is related with the region or the server that you are connected to. For example, if you want to change the server, all you have to do is to go to your profile on the top right corner, then go to the setting, and in the setting, I am in setting right now, and all I have to do is to change my location to the server that I want to change my location to the broker where I want to work with. So for example, if my broker is in USA, I'm just gonna go ahead and change my location to the United States. This is how I do it, and then save it. The other thing is that if you want to mention the time of your broker on your candles and in the MetaTrader 4, you can use the local time indicator for the MetaTrader 4. There are a bunch of softwares that you can use that will show the time right the broker time right on the MetaTrader 4. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this really helpful.